Here we go. Uncooked pasta again. Why did we expect anything different? And here goes that block of cheese. Oh my God. I mean, just so y'all know, Velveeta already makes boxed mac and cheese, so y'all didn't even have to do this. Then here we go, adding mustard and mayo. The madness.
My favorite brand. I think it melts really nice, and it's just really easy to use. Shredded cheese. This is my favorite.
And I heard she said it smells really nice. Okay, whatever you say.
I like to use as much cheese in mac and cheese as possible.
Look.
Spread it. Great.
Look at that.
Now, don't forget about these packets.
And they really think they doing something too.
This is just fancy mac and cheese. But
Look at this.
It tastes great. So, there's those mac and cheese.
Y'all know y'all could have just cooked the pasta, then add all that cheese and do whatever you want to do afterwards, right?
Right on top of the butter.
The madness. These people are crazy.